Hey guys, and today we just went to Toys R Us and we bought this Pokemon, and it's a Zoroark GX, and it has a coin, has a Zorua card, and it has some cards that you can't just get. They're probably only in this, so. And we got a big card. And I brought my brother with me.
Yoink!
So, I'm going to open 3 packs, and he's going to open 2 packs. So, yeah, let's get opening.
Do you need help?
No.
Ah! So yeah, as my brother said, there's 2 promo cards, the oversized Zoroark and the smaller Zoroark. There's also a Zorua so that you can evolve them, put them into your deck. There's a silver Zoroark coin, and 5 Shining Legends packs. I'm pretty sure it said like special edition or something. I think this is one of the only places that you could get the Shining Legends packs. I'm not exactly sure, but
it has glue.
Yeah.
Just open it like this. With my thumb.
Careful, bro. You don't want to wreck the cards.
I'm not. I'm just ripping the package. Got it. So we got it open.
Let me grab the sleeves.
Okay, my brother is grabbing some sleeves so we could keep these Pokemons safe. There.
Got the sleeves.
So sleeves are like little baggies for your Pokemon cards, so they don't get
protectors.
Yeah, they're basically card protectors. Okay. Oh, everything is falling. Okay. We got the coin.
Here's the
Very shiny.
Here's the oversized Zoroark card. Close-up view.
I'm gonna grab the normal one. That's hard. Okay, so I'm gonna open 3 packs, and my brother's opening 2. He's gonna open Mewtwo and the Mew. I'm opening Mewtwo, Mew, and my 3rd pack is gonna be Rayquaza. It's cool. So, and we got this code card. It's in the pack. This coin is so shiny.
Here's the smaller Zoroark card. It's the exact same, just like most packs.
But it's tiny.
Here's the
and
hollow Zorua.
So let's get opening. My brother will go first.
So as you can see, I got a Mew and a Mewtwo. And fun fact, you could actually take the front of these packs and actually turn them into sleeves. You have a little bit of tape.
That's what I did.
So yeah, let's start with the Mewtwo. I'm not exactly sure what the card trick is for these ones because I don't think these are Sun and Moon. They came with the GX. So I'm just going to do the normal card trick, being take 3 cards from the back and placing them behind 2 cards.
You should probably just count the cards. See how much there are.
So if there's 11 cards, then I'll know that it's sort of like the Sun and Moon card trick. Not including the code card, of course. Thanks for adjusting the camera, Jarek.
You got a pooper fish.
Okay. I got the code card with the screen. Sometimes that means that there's a EX and or GX. So I'm just gonna count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. So it's gonna be the Sun and Moon card trick.
It's 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
And then you put that behind. So we're gonna see.
Yeah, you guys are seeing what the cards are first.
It's a pooper fish.
So Quillfish.
It's a pooper fish. Now it's
Ivysaur.
Ivysaur. Cool.
Torkoal.
Torkoal.
This is a Bulbasaur.
Yay! We got Ivysaur and a Bulbasaur. Pikachu.
Pikachu.
You're probably gonna know this one the
Pokemon's
most.
mascot.
Energy.
Dark Energy. Super Scoop Up. Flip a coin. If heads, put one of your Pokemon and all cards attached to it into your hand.
Cool.
Ooh, Arbok.
Arm.
Wrap Energy. This provides a normal type
Wrap.
energy. When you attach a card from your hand to an active Pokemon, switch that Pokemon with one of your bench Pokemon.
And
Torkoal is our reverse holo. And our rare is... What is it? Oh, it's a Latios holo!
and we're gonna alternate, so it's my turn.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think you might be able to pick up the holo there.
It's pretty.
Breakthrough.
And
30 damage.
and
This
there's-
is acts as 30 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Lagoon Flight. And they require 2 and 3 energies.
And this has it has a Latios in the background too.
It's pretty good.
My turn. Excuse me, Kuya. Breath. It's my turn. I'm gonna start with my Rayquaza pack. Open this thing. I open it from the bottom.
If you need help, just tell me.
Sure.
Funny thing is, it still says 10 additional game cards. You can see it there. It still says 10 additional game cards when there's 11. So yeah, it looks like these are sort of like the sun and moon, but a bit different.
Okay. That's my first card. No, it's a Bulbasaur. Okay. I'll do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. First is a Bulbasaur. Nice. Pretty cute.
Same one that I got in my pack. Totodile.
Totodile. Pretty cute too. Shroomish.
Shroomish. Wait, did you check your code card?
Oh, I need it. Yeah, it's the same as my brother's.
So it's probably going to be a holo.
Yeah.
And or GX if you're lucky.
Ooh, Ivysaur. Same one as my brother. Jinx.
AKA Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, Jinx. Dang it. Grass Energy.
That's our energy for the pack. How?
How. See, look at him. How.
Damage remover.
Damage remover.
So I would believe that's kind of like a potion.
Okay, Scrappy. Scrafty.
And a reverse holo.
I got a reverse holo
It's another
Jinx.
Nicki Minaj.
Another Nicki Minaj. It's Jinx.
And our rare
Is
a Virizion holo.
Virizion.
Virizion holo.
Wow. So it does wrap,
Wrapped in wind. 1 energy, 30 damage. You may attach a basic energy card from your hand to this Pokemon. Pike, 90 damage, 3 energies. This attack does 30 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Do not Pokemon, sorry. Do not apply weakness and resistance for benched Pokemon.
So I'm just putting mine back in order.
And we will do a review on our good cards at the end.
Yeah, we will. So give me back my cards for rares. I will poop on you.
And here, since we're alternating,
Yeah.
my last pack. This is a Shiny Legends Mew.
I still have 2 more packs. So, yeah. Flip. Oh!
You're gonna wreck the cards, bro.
Done. Hi.
Oh, again! Nice. Looks like we're
Another
gonna get a holo and or rarer if we're lucky. Computer screen.
We're gonna get a GX if we're lucky.
First Oh wait, I'm not.
I
I forgot to do the card trick.
trick. You did it.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
Okay. So his first is
A weasel.
a boy over there. Oh, he got another Zorua. But it's
Zorua with the Zork.
But it's not the same as this one. Not the one that came in the pack. It's a different. He got the
Snake backwards.
Ekans. Really? Really? Really?
This is a Pikachu.
Another Pikachu duplicate. Ooh.
Crocodile. This is what? This is a common. I would think this would be an uncommon.
Oh.
Yeah.
So he got the evolving
Common.
of this. Evolving of that.
Evolved form. Steel type energy.
Cool.
That's our energy for the pack. Spiritomb. I actually don't have one of these yet, so this is pretty good. Spiritomb. Did you just dab?
Sorry, the dab is dead, so.
Damage remover.
Same. Duplicate. Oh, we have lots.
Volcarona.
Okay.
That's an uncommon. Our
Ooh.
our reverse hollow. It's a reverse hollow water type energy.
It's not actually that shiny. Same with this coin. But it just looks very shiny in the camera.
And our last
Okay.
my last one, my rare, is what is it? Oh, it's a Reshiram. It's a hollow.
Reshiram. Oh my
Reshiram hollow.
gosh.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. So
Not
I'm gonna do my second pack is Mew. So we'll open this. Got it. Okay, got it. Okay, let's take these out. Rip that. Okay, that's a lot better than. Let's get them out. We're gonna get these cards out. They're stuck. Okay, we're gonna just. My brother has left the scene. Okay, let's open this. I got this, come on.
And I'm back.
Can you just take that little piece off?
Might wreck the cards.
Eh.
Oh no, you bent one. You bent a card.
It's fine.
You wrecked it.
Whoa! I think that's slipped.
Gosh.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
You can't do the card trick anymore.
Want to?
You can't do it anymore. Just
Who cares? So,
it's so
on to-
messy. It's horrible. Code cards computer screen. Gonna get a hollow.
Okay, so Breloom.
Balloon.
Breloom. Icons. Duplicate.
You guys are gonna get a
Dang.
hollow because
Dang
you're
fish.
messing it up.
Stonefish. Pikachu. Another one. What's this?
I don't know.
Zekrom! Zekrom!
Why are you so excited?
Because we got a Reshiram and we got a Zekrom. Okay.
Electrode.
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 Then we got this thing. Cannot pronounce the name.
Carnivine.
Carnivine. Switch. Voltorb.
Palkia Hollow.
Palkia. Hollow. And then Energy.
That's our energy. Last pack. Jarek, do you want me to help you with
No.
this one?
Here.
I knew it.
I might wreck it again. Okay, I got I got 2 good cards in one pack. We're gonna group up all the good cards. Just Jinx isn't good at all. Oh, here it is.
Here's the pack. Code card.
Give it to me.
Make sure you don't mess it up
I
so
won't.
that you can't
So
see.
then I'm showing you the back of the Pokemon cards. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. We start off with the ice.
Oh! Yeah! Yes, there's a GX. There's
Okay,
a GX.
listen.
Listen.
Okay, another
Shroomish. Quillfish. AKA
Pooper,
Balloon.
Ivysaur,
Torkoal. Energy. Pokemon Catcher.
Volcarona.
Volcarona. Leopard.
Leopard.
Golett.
Oh,
Mewtwo GX.
We got a Mewtwo.
And
In
not
the
only
Mewtwo
that,
pack.
wait, let me see that. Is that full art? No, that's not a full art, but yes.
I got a Mewtwo.
GX.
Of course, I got the Mewtwo in the Mewtwo pack. That's our best pull. So here are cool pulls. We got this one. Where's the Reshiram? Where's the Reshiram?
Here are my good pulls. Latios.
Oh,
And
I
the
need to show
Reshiram.
you my other one. Mewtwo.
Here's our Zoroark. The main thing.
The mine falling.
And last but not least, the oversized card.
Now we have added to our collection of Pokemon, which is before 1040. So now we have a lot more than 1040. So my favorite, Kuya, choose your favorite card that you got.
That I got. Let's see. Probably the Reshiram.
Oh, I know, my Nicki Minaj. Just kidding. It's probably my Mewtwo GX.
And no, we are not dissing Nicki Minaj just because she wears a lot of makeup and Jinx looks like she's wearing makeup.
I was like, I know, it's Nicki Minaj. I was like, just kidding.
That was the weirdest voice ever.
And it's tied between these two. These two are super cool. Sorry for that. So now we're gonna put them in order. For grass with grass and stuff. Put them all together. Put the grass stuff together. So
Yeah, I have a bow. Cause why not?
yeah. I think we got it in the Philippines. Right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, okay. And I'm wearing my Pokemon hat. Ivysaur. Okay. Shroomish.
By the way, you should be putting all the hollows
Okay.
and stuff together.
Cool. Now we're gonna
Okay.
go Sidekick. Sidekick. No, that's not Sidekick. Okay. I need Charbok. Where's Charbok? Oh, here, Latios. Where's Charbok? Where's
Rick,
Charbok?
You're supposed to separate the hollows from the rest. You know
No.
that, right?
No, it needs to just be in order. Where is he? Show me.
He's up here.
Okay, cool.
At least I think so.
Chibok. Where's Chibok?
Yep,
Oh, found
Arbok.
Chibok. Okay, we got that. All of our and then we have all of our grass type. Do you have any grass types there? Yep, you got it. Okay. Time to sort up all the water. Oh, you have Ivysaur. Oh, Bulbasaur.
I said Bulbasaur.
I thought you said Ivysaur.
Ivysaur.
So
That was a bad impression.
yeah, it kind of sounded like he was puking. Okay, we need more water. Okay, that just sounds weird. We need more water. We need more water, Kuya. Oh, here. I got some more water. See, I got some more water. I call puffer fishes. Now I call them pooper fishes. They're pooper fishes. Okay, that's all of ours.
Super suspicious.
Pooper fishes.
Super suspicious.
Okay, we're gonna gather up all our, what's it called? Fire.
I got most of the dark types. All I need is that Scrafty over there. Mind passing it?
Yeah, now my brother is getting all the
Dark types.
dark state.
Dark.
Okay, here,
Burn.
whoops. Just wait. We're almost done. So, okay. Trainers. Go. There we go. Lightning. That. Fighting. There we go. And we're done. That's it. That's all. So,